Thinking about upgrading your iPhone? Hold that thought. I know it's tempting to grab the latest model, but trust me, the real game changer is coming in 2026. I'm talking about the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and here's why you should seriously consider waiting for it. Let's start with what you see first, the screen. We all know the dynamic island. Well, by 2026, it's rumored to get a major makeover. We're talking a reduction of nearly 50% in size. Even better, Apple might finally perfect under-display Face ID, leaving just a tiny, clean punch hole for the camera. Imagine that, a nearly uninterrupted all-screen experience. It's going to make current models look dated overnight. This isn't just an update, it's a whole new look that screams future. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where things get really exciting. Apple is expected to introduce something photographers have been dreaming of: variable aperture technology. What does that mean for you? It means the lens can physically adjust to different lighting conditions, just like a professional DSLR camera. Your daytime photos will be incredibly sharp and detailed, and your nighttime shots will be brighter and clearer than ever before, with less noise. It's automatic, it's intelligent, and it will elevate your photos from great to breathtaking. But that's not the only camera upgrade. There was a huge rumor circulating that Apple might switch from its longtime partner Sony to using Samsung EOS cutting-edge camera sensors for the main lens. Now, this is massive. Samsung has been pushing the boundaries with sensor technology. And if Apple combines its world-class image processing with a potentially superior sensor, the result could be the biggest leap in iPhone camera quality we've seen in years. We're talking about a level of detail and dynamic range that could genuinely rival professional cameras. Of course, a futuristic phone needs futuristic power. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is set to debut the A20 Bionic chip. This isn't just another incremental speed bump. It's expected to be built on TSMC's revolutionary 2-nanometer process. In simple terms, that means a massive jump in both raw speed and power efficiency. Your apps will launch instantly, multitasking will be seamless, and graphically intense games will run smoother than you can imagine. This chip will make the A19 and the iPhone 17 look like a trial run. And to support that powerhouse chip, Apple is reportedly upgrading the memory to 12 GB of faster RAM. More RAM means your phone can keep more apps and processes running in the background without slowing down. Coupled with significant upgrades to the neural engine for on-device AI, the iPhone 18 Pro Max won't just be fast, it'll be incredibly smart, anticipating your needs and handling complex tasks with ease. Connectivity is also getting a supercharge. The phone is expected to feature a new, custom-designed CE2 chip. This will bring in support for the latest standards, including faster 5G, the brand new Wi-Fi 7, and more efficient Bluetooth. You'll get more reliable connections, lightning-fast download speeds, and all of this while using less power. This brings me to the battery, another area poised for a revolution. Apple is reportedly exploring new carbon-based battery technology. This could lead to significantly faster charging speeds and, more importantly, a longer overall battery lifespan, meaning your phone stays at peak performance for years. So, what will it look like? Apple is likely to stick with the premium, flat-edge design we know and love, but with those key refinements like the smaller island. They seem to be saving a complete, ground-up redesign for the iPhone 20. But that is exactly why the 18 is the smart choice. It perfects the current formula with next-generation technology inside. You can expect the iPhone 18 Pro Max to launch in September of 2026. And here's the best part. Leaks suggest it might start around the same $1,249 price point as current Pro Max models. For the same price, you're getting a far more significant upgrade across the board. So if you can hold out, the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just the next iPhone, it's the next generation of iPhone. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make you wait? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.